southeastern Hidalgo County. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 1:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported multiple water rescues ongoing in multiple areas across southeastern Hidalgo County. Between 4 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for southeastern Hidalgo County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include West Laco, Donna, Mercedes, Progreso, Llano Grande, West Laco East High School, Black Elementary School, Knapp Medical Center, Estero Llano Grande State Park, Isaac D. Rodriguez Park, West Laco City Park, West Laco Public Library, West Laco Fire Department Station 2, West Laco City Hall, South Texas High School for Health Professions, Harlem Block Sports Complex, Villa Verde, West Laco Fire Department Station 1 and Alameda Park. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding